Alright, so I shut off SLI and then restored like the chip defaults for the card because maybe I was tweaking around with something earlier or something. Oh man, yeah, okay. I fixed it. It had something to do with SLI. Interesting. Yeah, that's better. Man, that was fucked up. I wonder what caused that. Well, obviously SLI, but what does that have to fucking do with anything? Huh. Weird. Okay, well I got my cube back. Where are my panels? Oh, there. Cube. Right, and now. That's better. Now I can read shit. Okay. Oh, is this gonna? Fuck you rendering? Oh, there it is. It's weird. My texture doesn't show in the viewport. It sucks. And yet it shows up in the. Why would that be? Oh. Huh. You don't want to update? What's your problem? RGB spectrum. Come on, buddy. No good? You don't like green? Oh, do I have to reload it? No. Why? Why? Oh. Why? Okay. So, let's do this. Block the res. And then I have to send. Oh, let me change it to white. Okay. I'm gonna send that to Chris. Accumulate pixel map. Projected. So I gotta send that to Shro. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm so exhausted, man. Shit sucked. I figured it out. I'll tell him instead I figured it out. Okay. Okay. That's weird. There's no like fucking options for Octane to like update these textures better. I thought there were like maybe, where would that be? In here somewhere. Like settings, C4D shaders, enable render size. Let's do like fucking bloat textures. Does that make a difference? Not really. You probably have to restart. Unless you refresh. Can you do that? Functions, reload all textures? Nope. Where is my shader? No, whatever this like, it shows up good enough. Renderer. I can't believe that fucking renderer, how fast that is. It's like instant. And I'm not even using net render. I'm just using 3 GPUs. But what would be nice is to get better renders out of thingamajig. Oh, right. Let's see this question. Where did it go? Oh, right. I have to reproject the content from the Q camera to the new shit for my render camera. I wonder if you can do that. Well, I can learn. That one. Sure. Looks good. Besides the other one. Adobe After Effects. That's what I want. Geo panels, blah blah blah. Panels separate. Go here. Come on, After Effects. You gonna load on me at all? There it goes. New project. Where's that stupid Cinema 40 plugin render thing? Oh yeah, right. New composition. 668 by 768 frame rate 60. Blah 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 blah. Preset custom. Blah blah blah. Okay. Derp. Alright. Where's that stupid max on Cinema 40 font? Wait. I don't want to fucking do that. How do you... Can you do the C4D from it? I wonder. Does that actually work? Holy shit, it does. Oh, so I can move my camera. Alright, that's cool. What's this doing? Oh, that's fucking badass. So I can pull my camera out of that? Or is it just a render? Can't... No, there's a camera plug-in for this. Get the fuck out of here. Where's that stupid? It's an effect or something. Yeah. Cinema 40, Cineware. Yeah. What are you fucking talking about? Oh! Right. Got it. Got it. Let's get rid of that. No. To do it on this. I just want the camera data. Here we go. Get the fuck out of here. There it is. Okay, so those are my sides. That's my render camera. Renders. Select Cinema 40 sec camera. That one. Got it. Okay, so there's the camera. Can you move around it? Oops. Should be 1920 by 1080. So, Q comes. That's better. What's this shit in the back? Fucking hell. So I want to extract every side and unwrap it to the pixel map. So to do that, I have to use. Get the fuck out of here. Render. OpenGL. Sure. Whatever. Okay, cool. Come here, shade. What's this black fucking? Oh, solid. Let's do it like. Sure. Stick that in. Okay, so there's a cube outline. That's where the footage gets imported, and then we fuck with that. So, comp, new comp. So now I have to do 786 by 786. How do I match the camera? I make it like a 3D layer, right? So it's like fucking new camera or some shit. Yeah, but can you? Stupid fucking things. Get the fuck out of here. Columns. Mode switches 3. PD. It already is 3D layer. How do you pull that camera data out? How did I do it in the other one? Let me look really quick. Recent Mac Cube content ND Cube content ND. Don't save. Oh, I already did it. Right. Okay, so content. Yeah, that's 1080. Let me just import some crap. Tour visuals, 1920 by 1080. Fucking, let's grab some bullshit. Where's my pig? Okay, cool. Content, blah blah blah. That's big. Yeah. Piggy. And render. So this is what has to change. So I have to put in the new cube map for that. So the way I fix goes. Oh, the camera cube align. That's what I need. I see. 35 degree, 45, top, left, right. Okay, so this is where it gets all fucking weird. Where's my camera? Projection cam. There it is. Camera options. Blah, blah, blah. 360 by 360, -4. -5. Oh, those are the gaps. So now I just switch these to 0. How do you oh, it's fucking scripted. God damn it. Oh, it's locked. So that's -4, -5, that should be 0, 0. So we'll 0 these out. Unlock, unlock, unlock. So 0. That's better. 0. And 0, I guess. Nice. There, so they're like fused together now. Content. Big render. Okay, so now I gotta stick with this shit, cube map. So that's the wrong map. I'm gonna have to import the new map. Person, tour visuals, cube light, pixel map, import. Okay, cool. Take that, and we'll put that there. And I shall move that so that it is right. Transform. Uh-oh. Why? Oh, anchor point position. That's right. It got cut off. How did that happen? This one. Ads. Seven, 6, 8. 1024 by 768. What's my comp setting? 768 by 768. That should be right. That don't make any fucking sense. Why is it? Maybe that map is fucking stupid. Let me re-export it. Fuck it. Oh, 1024 by 768. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Save as fucking PNG. Cool. That's weird. Where's the rest of it? It's like it got shifted or something. That's better. Cool. Transform, position, well, no, not that way. And so we want to go 512. Yeah, so that's the new map. So we make that a guide layer. So, and the opacity. Right. Okay, so now I just have to realign my shit. So let's see, top left side has to come down, transform, position, 0. That shit out, bring that down right here, 380, something, whatever. Top map has to come up, guess. It's up there somewhere for now, and then the right side has to come down and then get flipped. Ah, this is so annoying. I guess it's 0. Whoops, wrong one. That one. It should just be 0. And then it comes up somewhere. Where the fuck is it? Yay. Okay. That goes to there. 384 by 1. 384 by 384. That's the right. The left goes here. Biggie. Got it. Okay, so it's the pig. And then the top map gets rotated the other way. So that way. Up to there. Nice. There we go. That's better. Great. Doing stuff on the cube. Jumping around like an idiot. Yeah, that map makes more sense. Can't. So, so wrong. So the content can get shifted. Where's my guide? God damn it. Did the projection map lineup. There we go. It should be there. Nice. So that's the map lineup. Alright, let me try some other content just to make sure shit works. Cube light. Mill's dead. Some of this shit's gonna be whack. I'm gonna have to redo some of it, but whatever. Tour visuals. Just take some random Rocket League shit. Just to make sure the map lines up. Content, blah blah blah. Stick that there. Cube map, lineup. And then we will go to our render. The render should translate perfectly, which it does, I believe. I'm gonna have to save this. That's better. Take that on. it looks like it lines up. Yeah. So that's with the distortion on the cube. And then this is the map. Oh, that was easy. So I don't have to remake the fucking content. I can just re-render it. I'll still probably make some cool shit though, because this is kind of whack. Oh, so to speak. It's just you see it way it bends in the middle. It's just because that's the way that you're looking at the cube from perspective. Because if you look at it from this perspective, it should line up like that, and then your cube's like this. So yeah, and then this is the cube alignment with no gaps. So what I'll do is I'll save this as cube content, no gap, and I will put that in cube light because I'm just gonna assume cube light doesn't have a gap, and then hope to God it fucking works. It should be fine. It's just some of the 3D content has to be redone, but that's easy. Where am I going here? Cube light, C4D template, econ, cube light, no gap. Awesome, done. Except I don't need the Rocket League thing. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'll just keep it in there for now. Just wondering where to put it. I mean, that works out better. It's weird with no gap in it, but it's like what? It should wrap around just fine. And I guess a good way to test it is actually make a movie texture, and then we can try it. So let me render out. What do you have to do? Like a PNG sequence, I think. So let's render from here to fucking there, I guess. How many frames is that? I don't even know. It's about whatever frames, doesn't matter. Okay. File, export, blah blah blah. Add to Adobe Media Code Key. Actually, I'll just add it to Render Key. Output module, lossless, TIFF sequence with alpha, I guess. Sure. Output, and we will go to desktop, make a new folder, we'll call this new RL cube test. Cube test. Boom. Render. And then I can at least map it on a. Alright, let's go to Cinema 4D, blah blah blah. Can you do video textures with Octane, or do you have to use Cinema 4D shader? Well, we can try it with Octane. Start. See what happens. Alright, Octane, blah blah blah. Get in there. Alright, and then let's do image texture. I wonder if this will just let me do a PNG sequence. We'll make fucking find out. Fuck is it? Fuck is it? Oh, desktop RL cube test 1, TIFF, all files. No, won't let you. No. Okay, well, the map got fucked up. How did that happen? Oh, it only does one frame. What the fuck? Oh, you can't do like a. Can't just bitmap. Like, can you do an image sequence? What the fuck? Really? How do you do this? Bitmap. So that you do an image sequence? Huh. Huh. How do you do an image sequence with Octane? Can you even? You just do like image texture and then type. I thought you could do like a. Huh. Well, I would love to do a fucking. Let me just make a Cinema 4D shader and try that. What am I doing here? Oh, right. Let me try. Does this let you do it? Oh, no node editor, of course. Okay, so I want diffuse. Right, blah, blah, blah. Texture. Texture. Maybe not. Okay, bitmaps. What am I doing? Bitmap. Load image. Right. Does this let you do an image sequence? Or do you have to... A fuck. Animation? Okay. Why not? It's fucking way better than this Octane, but... Jesus Christ. Alright. Fuck. And this doesn't have the stupid animation option. Or does it have to be, do they have to be numbered from 0 to 1 or whatever? Okay. Well, I'll just leave it and look at the map and get it to line up right. How about that? Let's do that. So if I go here, it should look flat-ish. Well, once my fucking texture's actually corrected. Fuck out of here. VP, UV edit. Yeah. Okay. Sigh. You let me select shit now? Yeah. Okay. So. Wait, that should be right. Oh, it's supposed to be all the way out. That's why. Oh, okay. So I was using 786 by 786. So all I have to do is stretch the fuck out of it. Scale. Oh, of course I can't. Fucking. No. You're a dick. Why won't you let me scale that? Here we go. Non-uniform scale. So you're gonna shift her over to like more or less there. That's better. It doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be fucking close, which is fine. Good enough. Close enough. Actually, you know what? Can you just optimal map? Stretch to fit, right? Apply? Nope. Wrong way. Preserve orientation? Wrong way. Realign? What the fuck? Stretch to fit. Boom. Ah, come on. Oh, spacing. 0. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh, okay. That looks just almost right. Where's my render? Oh, yeah. Octane live viewer. So now if you're looking at the cube, it should appear to be flat. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, perfect. Boom, it worked. Nice. So if you're standing and you're looking at the cube at exactly this image, at that angle, the cube will look like it's being projected on. It's just a cunt hair off, but that's okay. And then if you're off to the side, so if we move our camera around, you're going to see how it gets warped a bit. So obviously, you know, if you, the further back you are, and if you're a little lower or whatever, you know, it's going to look like that. But generally, that's how it translates. That's what you want. So then, you know, if you find that like optimal viewing angle, which is going to be this render camera right here. So that's like 20 feet away from it. So if you actually look at the camera, let's see. Why can't I see the camera? That's weird. Is it not there? Display. Basic, visible, in editor, on. Why don't I see the... Where's my camera? Is it not going to show it? Details. Come on. Physical, movie camera, object, perspective, blah blah blah. Is it hidden? Protection. That was a movie. Maybe I'll take the protect tag off. How come you can't actually see the camera? That's weird. Oh, well, whatever. Where is my camera? How come you don't fucking see it? Visible in editor. On. On. Like, okay, so where is it? Oh, maybe there's a filter on it. Camera? No. Is there? Camera. So, where's my camera? What is going on here? Orthographic? No. Time for me. Pilot response. If I take the camera tag off. Same thing. Doesn't matter. Why can't I see the camera? Oh, it's on a layer. Oh, shit. There you go. Right. So if you're like that far... Oh, that's my projection camera. My bad. What side is that on then? Right. So you'd have to be that far from the camera, or from the cube to see it correctly. Where's the, that's the projection camera, but where's my perspective camera? Guess it doesn't fucking matter, does it? As long as it works. Huh. That doesn't seem right to me. But I guess it is. Yeah. Huh. So if you're too close, you're obviously like way too fucking close. Yeah, that's good enough. That's assuming I have no gaps in the cube, but there will be a little gap. So actually, you know what I'll do is I'll break it apart and I'll see if I'll see how gnarly it is with the gaps. Should be okay. So I'll go here and then this stuff, blah blah blah. Let's split that from whatever. Split, boom, and then we will split this. Split, boom. So if there's gonna be fuck's sakes, I have to split this too. Does that split? Oh, disconnect. That's what I wanted to do. My bad. Not split. Disconnect. Disconnect. Well, this should just be disconnected anyway, right? Okay. So then what's this shit over here then? Oh, did I miss one? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Definitely did. So if it's going to be separated, it should be really about that. Maybe that like by a centimeter. Whatever. About there, and then this comes up here. What's all that other geo though? Why is that not updating properly? I guess that still looks okay, even if it was like 4 centimeters out. Oh, I see what happened. Just delete that. There you go. Yeah, with a gap, it should be fine too. I don't see why not. It's okay. I mean, if that's what it takes, then fuck it. Should be good enough. Because you can't obviously mash LED tiles like directly together. Yeah, it's not terrible. You're gonna get some tearing and shit. It's okay. I can live with that. So this is the physical panel, so I'm just gonna pop out a bit. I can re-render it. I just have to know what the gaps are. So I gotta find out from the engineer guy. Once I send him the new panel alignment, he's gonna build it like the way it needs to be built, and then when I get the CADs back, he'll tell me how big that gap is, and then I plug that gap in the camera system and render the content like that. Oh yeah, I did. I actually figure out how to play Rocket League on it, but I need a third computer up there, because we can run live input to the cube. We're basically already doing that. I just need the other system up there to do it. But when we set up the cube at the shows, I only have like an hour and a half tops, like to sound check and shit like that. And by the time sound check's done, there's like 15 minutes left, so I can't build that system in less than like 15 minutes at every show, because then once the show's over, immediately it goes back on the fucking truck. So, but I could totally do it for sure. I just need to run. That's the thing though. It's like, because I could play it like on one side, right? So it would be like a square like this, and then mirror that square, and then reproject it there too. But I'd want to project it like this, so that you can see the whole game on all the cube, right? But the only way you can really do that is if you use like just some pixel mapping software like Map.io or whatever, and then run the game through that, and then have that run to the Resolume system that's delivering the content. That would work 100%. Like you could do it over a Siphon client or something. But you can't just run it one-to-one to the cube, because it won't line up right. So you're gonna have to run it through a mapper or something like that. I was just trying to work out now like how annoying that gap would be, because see what happens here is like this ball, right, like in this bit of content is here, and then it stops, and then it continues over here. But like if I account for the gap, I'd want it to just stop, like, you know, where the shape would be. So you have to account for the gap on the render. But whatever, I mean, it's no big deal. I could duplicate that easy. Or I could just tell them to configure the panels exactly the way they're configured on the original cube, and then I don't have to fucking worry about which ones are rotated or not. But yeah, it's pretty fucking easy to do. This is just with no gap, right? So like it just depends on how big that gap is, right? So if I went here, let me find a piece of content where the ball hits the middle, like right there. You see that line here. Well, if I like start throwing in the gap, what'll happen is if I have to go to this cube align shit, right, and then start dicking around. Ooh, not that. Where's my position? Yeah, this is in 3D space, right? So this would have to come up like that much, or let's just make something up here. I'll go here, and then I'll say, ooh, not that one. Let's scale position. Say this one came, fuck you. This one came out a bit, and then the left panel came way the fuck out, just as an example, right? So there's our new gap, right? And then if I go to the render now, you'll see the gaps are accounted for. So it looks normal still. Obviously half the car is getting cut off because that gap is huge, right? So that's how you fix that, at least in our file. And then when you go to the content, you know, it's all normal and shit like that. And then the cube projection map will line up. You see how big that gap is. So if you find something that's like right in that gap, so you'll see that this part of the car is missing, and then if you go to your render out, you see it's like basically missing right there, and you just barely see this front tire. That includes for the gap. So I have to know how big that is for the alignment to work, basically. So also it's just fudging this fucking number around until you know exactly. But I believe it's in centimeters, so like this is 4 centimeters or whatever it was. But if you zero it out, this is like no gap. So that's like perfect 1-to-1. I just have to figure out what the fuck that is. Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, well, it would look better if you accounted for the gap. If you don't account for the gap, then shit just looks fake. No, the cube didn't break. We're just building another one. And now that I know how to build a cube, I can do it faster. So I guess that's it. I think Kelly's home, so she'll probably kick me off the computer and make me go to bed. Maybe not. Fuck it. Since we're on the topic, let's play some fucking Rocket League. Just get rid of all this shit. Yes, Kelly? Are you yelling at me to come to bed? Are you yelling at me to come to bed? I'm gonna play some Rocket League for a bit. I'm gonna play some Rocket League for a bit. Millingtons doesn't give a shit what I do. There's a spider? Why is my stream choking, or is it just me? Is my stream being weird? Does the frame rate like drop all to hell? Oh, it's just me? Oh, okay. As long as it's just, oh, it's because I disabled SLI. Alright. Okay.
What are you talking to?
I'm talking to the fucking world, Kelly.
Oh,
The whole world. Well, some of them. What's going on? Just playing W. Oh, shit. That's some shit. Get it! Oh! He had the shot. He got cock blocked. Huh? Where's the liquor?
The later.
Oh, I don't know. Dude! He's gotta be a hero. God.
He has to.
Yeah. Here. It's like, now it's like, I'll fix it. Follow it. Yeah, whoops. And I've been this game so long. Is it lagging? Oh, maybe it's not. Dude. Alright. Yeah, I'll fix it later. Fucking shut up, you whiny bitches. I'm moving. Nice pass. It's more pixelated than. Yeah, it's because I have to enable SLI again. Relax. Get in there. That would've went. Oh, come on! Oh, dude. Oh. Who's going for the insane amount of crit? Off the wall, off the wall. Mm-mm. Alright. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Ooh, is it in? No. Nice. Come on, whip. Oh, yeah, Andy took a boost. Is the stream broken or not? Because, like, if I don't have to fix it, I won't. Okay. Cool, I got it. Don't worry, my sweet child. It's like choppy on my side. But it's probably... Oh, almost got it by him. Oh, almost got it in. Get up. Let it go. 20 seconds. Just let it go. Where you going? What you got? Nothing. Whole lot of wall. It's over. Suck it, bitches. GG's. I'm in ELO. ELO hell. You like my name? Thanks. Oh, I fucking hate this map. Oh! Almost. Whoops. Sorry, buddy. Have to do it. This is the worst for bounces. Bad. Oh my god! I should have went for that spot. Need to. Look at that. Where are you? Take it. Dude! Would have been nicer if it went out. Nice, it's up, it's up, it's up. Where the fuck are you going, dude? Whip. Pick him and move. Okay. He's like, thanks. You're welcome. Nice shot. Up. Fucking suck it. He should have been. Oh! It's just a wall. Ah! Top. Is that enough? No. Shit. I was pretty sure I had that. Oops. Nice, clear. Well done. Okay, now, kindly, just hit it towards the net. Fuck. Oh, wow. That was stupid. Over. Right. Oh, whoops. Oh, fuck. I might fucking, I didn't know I was chatting. You know, I'm like, hitting W to go. Forfeit? Well, we can get 4 points in 35 seconds. I'll be a pussy. Oh, rip. What a save! Holy shit. That was fun. Where are you going? Oh. I should have went up. Oh! Thought I could tip it in. That was a pretty retarded save. I thought that was in for sure. I wasn't recording it. Oh, shit, I could have saved the replay. Get barrels. Oh, fuck, dude. Really? Oh, I just would have got a little ahead of that. Dude, you weren't anywhere near. Bunt. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's down? Where are you? Oh, Jesus. There you go. Wide open. I tried. At least I bumped him way the fuck out. Take it. Nice shot. Ah, sorry, buddy. Ow. Hate it when you get like just in front. Ah, shit. Close. Oh my god. Oops, what am I doing? Oh. On another planet. Uh, 12 boost and a prayer. It's way off. Let's see. Whoa, good shot. That's a really good shot. What division am I in? I don't know, I'm just fucking around. I haven't played so fucking long. Oops. Pass. Look good on paper. Ah. Get demoed. Oh, what a save! Fuck. Take that. Now what you got? I got full boost and a goal. Oh shit. Going up. There you go, buddy. It's all you. Oh. What's going on here? Boo. Ooh. What you got? What you got? What you got? Bunch of crap. So cool. Can I trade stuff? Nope. No, I already have them. I was like, wow, I was so close to getting. Don't worry, buddy, I got you. Just get it over him. He's dazzled. Shit. Big boost, big boost, big boost. Nice. Works. Nice. One more. Alright, buddy, but you gotta move. No, he don't know what he's doing. Oh, he's gonna get the dog. No. Should have went up way earlier. Oh. Whoops. Set it up. That's good set it up. This is not letting him get the rebounds. Nice shot. Woo! Oh, oh, what? Ah. Push me? Oh shit, I missed it. Take it. One more. Ah! Oh, boo! Oh, I can't believe they both went to it. That's funny. Everybody went for the side boost. That's interesting. Shot. Right. Oh! Oh!
I apologize.
What are you doing there? Oh! Mm. Come on, go. No. What? What? Dude! How can she slap? Oh, nice up. Shit. Dude! The whiff. Oh my god. I can't say my random boost! Dude. Wasn't supposed to whip that. put it up. Close. Close. Alright, just hold them off. Got the lead. It's not what I had. Oh, dude! Oh, that's so nice. I'll take it. Alright, couple more. I'm gonna go to bed. Need a good night's sleep. Sleep in my own bed. Oh, you know this guy's good. His name's my fucking mom. Wow. Thanks, buddy. Oh, great. Great clear. Dude! Oh my god. Yeah, do something. Why are you on my ass? Oh, now you're not. Not really. Here you go. It's all you. Nice shot. What the fuck? Hit the ball, dude. Let's go with. Really? God. What? Alright, everybody. Wait here. Oh my god. He hasn't, like, touched the ball. Oh, thanks. Great pass. Dude, move! Oh my god. I can't. Dude, why are you leaving me? Why are you pushing me? More importantly. There we go, Chad. Oh! Oh! you want to forfeit. Thanks. Wow. Alright. Better luck this time. Alright, the last one for B. Then I gotta go do stuff. No! Where is he? Where is he? Shit. Where is my team? Stop it. Oh. So moves. Oh. No, I want to go. That's good. Oh. Oh, come on! Idiot! Unbelievable. I can't. I gotta go to bed. This is like ELO hell. What are you doing? That's yours. Just go for it. Here. Oh my god. Really? Not like this. You missed. Oh. Yeah, I can't do it. Alright, I'm off to bed. Oh, that's why it was running slow, because I should use game capture, not desktop capture. It was running both at the same time. That's why it ran like shit. Well, that makes sense. Alright, having said that, I'm off. See you guys.